Hey there! Thinking about buying your first crypto coin but not sure how? No problem. In the next 2 minutes, I'll guide you through the simple steps to get started. Let's jump in. Step 1. Pick a crypto exchange. First, you need a platform to buy crypto. Popular choices include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. These exchanges are beginner-friendly, but make sure the one you pick is available in your country. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've chosen your exchange, sign up by providing your name, email, and a strong password. Some platforms may ask for identity verification with a photo ID, so have that ready. Step 3. Add funds to your account. Now that you're signed up, it's time to deposit funds. Most exchanges allow you to use bank transfers, credit cards, or PayPal. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary based on the payment method. Step 4. Choose your crypto. You've likely heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are many other coins to explore. If you're just starting, it's a good idea to stick with more established ones like Bitcoin. Find the buy section on the platform. Step 5. Make your purchase. Enter how much you want to spend and hit buy. And just like that, you've bought your first crypto coin. You might want to consider transferring your coins to a private wallet for extra security. And that's it. Super simple. Remember, crypto markets can be unpredictable, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your research and take it step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips on crypto and finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.